Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to withdraw funds from your Binance account to your bank account. So let's do it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are in Binance. You'll see now up at the top I've got a couple options. What I want to look for is trade. Okay, and here we're going to look for P2P, which is peer-to-peer, and here you can buy and sell your cryptocurrencies using a bank transfer with more than 800 options. Let's click on that. Let's see what options are available. So first of all, you need to click on sell on the top left hand side, right? So you will now see you have the buy option and sell option. What you're doing here is you're selling your cryptocurrency to your bank account. I know it sounds weird, but this is how it's done. So click on sell, choose your cryptocurrency. So I'm going to choose Bitcoin, which is BTC. And here you can see the transaction amount you will add in here. So let's just say 1,000. You will now see that this list will change because there are certain peer-to-peer options that will only allow you to transfer from a certain amount. So for example, this one is 1,000, this one is 300, and so forth. But this will be appropriate to your currency. Over here, you can choose your payment method, so filter it down. So let's say bank transfer or a local bank. So perhaps you're with Nedbank or Capitec or Absa, whatever it may be, choose that appropriate bank. I'm going to just choose bank transfer. And from here, you are literally going to choose the option that you find best. And then you're going to go and click on sell BTC. You will then have this window over here. You will enter the amount that you're selling. You will see what you're receiving, and then you're going to set your payment method. So you're going to choose this option over here. So you can add a supported payment method. So for my option in my region, FNB Bank or bank transfer, those are two options. And you're going to tap on the plus icon here. It will ask you for your bank card or your account number, your bank name, account opening branch, and then your IBAN, which are both optional. You can also upload a QR code, but that is also not mandatory. And you're going to click on confirm, and you should see your funds being transferred.